Example number 4. X equals to 0, 2, 7, closed brackets, 5, 8. Print of x of 1 of 0, which returns 2. Look at here, it is a bit technical. I have x equals to 0, 2, 7 inside the bracket, 5, 8. There is a list within the list. From here up to here is one list. From here up to here is another list. So there is a list within the list. There are two lists. You can also look at the list from indexing value. When you write print of x of 1, it means that at 1 it looks at this list. As I told you, indexing starts from 0 and then 1. So at place 1 we have 2, 7. But then I took another sub-indexing value, which is 0. So at 0 there exists 2. At 0 indexing in this list there exists 2. Look, from here x of 1 we got this sublist 2 and 7 because it looks at index 1 in computer memory, 0 and 1, 2, 3. So at 1 there exists 2, 7, this list. But then I took the index of 0, x of 1 of 0. At 0 indexing value, at 0 tag value, there exists 2. This 0 index means the 0 indexing value in this list, not in this, not this 0, in this, because we already took this list by x of 1. So this 0 indexing means these 2, this first value of the list, not this 0. Therefore it returns 2, not 0, 2 of this list. This 2 is at index 0 in this list, So I got 2 in the output. From here we can see that we can do indexing for the sublist as well.